Hi there, my name is Kimberly with Beauty by Sewn, and today we're going to talk about some skincare tips, a few fun products on how to take care of mature skin. So let's deep dive and want to show you a new product I've tried, and I really like it, and I love the feeling of taking care of myself and doing a few extra steps to give myself some TLC. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I've applied the OIA patches, one side under my eye and the other side on my smile line. And now we're going to just easily peel off the other side. And they're very sticky. I've tried other brands and actually I really like how adhesive they're feeling. You gently just sort of pull the skin and then gently tap and press, make sure there's no air bubbles underneath. My skin is clean, it's dry. They say that if you're going to use it with skincare, make sure the skincare is fully absorbed into the skin because they may not stick. So you can see here, it just easily pulls off. And then I'm gonna put this in my smile line and press it, and it literally instantly sticks. And what I love is that when I peel them off, you wash them with just soap and water, let them air dry, and then they give this cute little holder for the patches to stick so you can reuse them 15 to 20 times. So now I will see you back in an hour and we can talk about the results. All right, stay tuned. Okay, so I've had these on for actually over an hour because I ended up, starting laundry, putting away the dishes, packing lunches. So it's super cute because I was also reading, they have a full how-to little manuals on how to care for them, how to apply, and they come in these super cute little envelopes, which I love. So I'm gonna actually toss the envelopes and then just keep this in one of my beauty drawers. And I actually, while I was off camera, I also sent me a neck patch as well as this décolleté, and the décolleté I find now that I'm over 50 has become like my new super focus for my skincare routine. So I wanted to also say that the under eye over the past hour has literally not moved. Actually, it feels like nothing pulling them off. And there's actually still quite a bit of stick. So I'm just gonna feel, and instantly actually my skin feels almost like refreshed or lighter. It's amazing. So the skin does feel like plumped and does feel smoother. Actually, it looks smoother as well. So I love that I have no makeup on. Like I said, I just had a bare skin. I did a coat of mascara in my brows. So let's see. I will say that these ones, as you're talking, that they do start to ripple or bubble. So these patches, if you're going to do them, try not to talk while you're doing it. And again, the skin feels smoother, but there's no residue left. I love how easy they are to use. So I definitely am gonna do this before, actually I'm having a big party for my 50th. So I'm definitely gonna be doing that. Days that I feel my skin needs that extra TLC. And let's see for this neck one as well. So this will be a big hydration. Oh yeah, see, again, it feels hydrated. It's amazing. It feels smoother, hydrated. I got all the bubbles out of this one, the larger one for the décolleté. And let's see. Oh wow. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, look. It actually really depleted the look of these fine lines that I have down on my lower décolleté. Wow. So 15 to 20 times I can get reuse. And I have to say, I don't like doing any filler or anything around my mouth, let alone Botox. So I feel like that could be, a safe alternative for me to do as well. So now that my skin is prepped with the patches, now I feel like I can go into my skincare routine. So I'm gonna I love using brightening waters or almost like essences where they're like a thick jelly cream or lotion, I should say. And I'm now really paying attention to where my skin was impacted with those patches And it feels, I don't know, it's almost like a cooling, refreshed look. So I'm excited to see the benefits over time as well. And I'm gonna just use a little bit of an eye balm and apply a small amount under my eyes. I'm gonna just leave my skin bare now for today. And again, you know, finish always with SPF, but just apply, remember, your eye cream with your ring fingers under your eyes only, and just making sure that you're not applying it onto your eyelid by day if you are gonna wear a mascara or an eye look. So, because it'll just crease or make your products smear. And then I'm just gonna finish with a little lip balm. And let's get the SPF on, and then my skin feels refreshed and hydrated. It's really nice. I find I've been using SPF 50 for my face. So, and just a small amount. If I'm going from bare skin for the day, I just apply it directly over top of my daily moisturizer. And then if I'm actually have makeup on and I've forgotten, I take a little bit of sunscreen and put it on top if my foundation doesn't have sunscreen in it. So just always, always, always wear sunscreen. A good friend of mine always says, even if you're just going for a walk on a cloudy day, sunscreen will help and is one of the great products to use all the time, year round. And don't forget neck and décolleté. So my skin, I have to say, I feel like I've taken care of myself. The OEI patches were very easy to use, and my skin feels, I have to say, hydrated and smoother and a more plumping effect. So definitely a great little add-on to my skincare routine. And just remember, take care of yourself inside and out. So drink lots of water, get as much sleep as we can, do exercise, take a deep breath, and would love to know any other videos you're looking for on my channel. All right, huge hugs. Bye. Hey, it's been a while. I wanted to bounce back and show you before we wrap this video all of the awesome options that you have in OIASKIN patches, and the skin patches. There's everything from dermalifting masks. This is what I've used in the video, the eye and smile patches. I loved the chest patch. That was my favorite. But look at all the options there are and combinations. So whatever your area of concern is, you've got a pack to choose from. There's forehead, eyes, smile, and neck. There's even this awesome huge one, which is the forehead, eyes, smile, neck, and chest. So this is the one I'm gonna use next, which covers all my bases. And what I love is for my day-to-day, waking up tired, groggy, getting ready for a big night or big event or being on air, I can use these rejuvenating hydrogel eye patches, and it comes in this awesome combo pack. So now I'm gonna be using these as well. So there is a discount. The discount code is I'm Sewn. I'll list it all in the description box. There's a link below. Hope you found this video helpful, inspirational to be your best self in your own skin. Okay, thank you.